Hello everyone, welcome to the next tutorial for data science. We have completed our five milestones. It's time to reach out to the sixth milestone, which is introduction to decision trees. You all might have learned the tree data structure in your data structure and algorithm classes. So I think the people who have learned it will find its working and its structure quite familiar. So decision tree are one of the most widely used machine learning algorithms. They are used for both, classification and regression tasks. A decision tree works by splitting the data into its subsets, like from a node into subsets, node two into subsets. Uh, also, it then it because of its working only, it leads to the tree-like structure formation, where each internal node represents the decision based on the feature, and it is all written over here that each leaf node represents a prediction, and which is more right, it goes towards it, and the uh, leaf node of the present node is a I should say that as a node for the other one, as a parent node for the other one, and it goes like that. Uh, they are easy to understand, interpret, and visualize, making them a popular choice in many applications. They are also flexible and can handle both categorical and continuous data. So we will be basically looking towards the classification and regression trees, how to build a cart regression trees using Python. I'll be teaching you that. Also a C5.O algorithm and all those things. Also random forest, and you have to perform these activities when we are done with our tutorial. So yeah, here is the code for the decision tree. So we are using here the random forest algorithm, which is written over here. You can just learn these two algorithms by your own. They are very easy to understand. You can just refer any YouTube video or something, or you can just run the code and read the instruction whatsoever I have written on the in the documentation posted on this website. So yeah, there are functions like prepare data, which will take the file as the parameter to their uh, argument to their parameter, or whatsoever they say. So yeah, here the file gets reads, and the columns get replaced, and all those things of data processing and loading take place. Then the building of decision tree takes place. The method and the parameters are passed over here. Maximum leaf nodes are taken as 5 here. So yeah, this inbuilt function of decision tree classifiers makes the decision tree using the parameters given into the function, and the main function calls each of the parameter. Here we are applying some tests to to evaluate our model the way it is working. So here all the things are related to function call and uh, printing related stuff. The main function is getting called from here. So let me just show the implementation to you guys, so the things get more clear. Uh, 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 yeah. Uh, One moment to minimize. Okay. So I'll just press enter to forget the name of the file. The file's name is decisiontree.py. I think there is some problem with the codes working. I'll directly, I have applied the decision tree into our main application, which we are building together. So I'll just directly run the main application. The code is almost similar to the applications code. So to the to the example code which I wrote into this which I typed into the file of decision tree.py. So I'll directly run the main application. Here it is. Uh, just let me minimize it for your ease. So yeah, the decision, these all are the functionalities and the process we did in last videos, and this is the important step. Decision tree exported to decision tree dot. So the decision tree is exported as a dot file to us, in which we can see that each node is pointing to somewhere, and it is basically getting into a tree-like structure which ends at a conclusion of the problem assigned to it. Also, there are many algorithms and like random forest only, which are isolated forest and etc., which are used at a high scale in DevSecOps companies to to identify the attacker on whom who is attacking their application or their server and all. So yeah, these things are really very useful in real life. So this is all for the basic introduction of decision trees. You can always go into detail of decision tree. So our next video will be on model evaluation. Evaluation is an important process. Let me give you a review only from here. Like evaluation is an important process, as we should always know that our application is working in an appropriate manner or not. So it is an important phase to be performed. We will see it in our next video. So thank you so much for being such a good student, for being listening to me. Thank you.